Welcome to Architectural Drafting and Design lesson. If you like this kind of content, this lesson is for you. Subscribe and hit the bell in order you to receive the free video tutorials. So what are you waiting for? Let's start. Lead pointing generates lead dust. Therefore, never point lead in much a manner or in such a place that this free dust or could settle on the drawing surface. Special case must be exercised when using the hand paper block. Also, every time in lead is pointed, some loose graphite or polymer adheres to the point. This loose material must be removed before starting to use the pencil. Some drafters use a piece of cloth attached to the side of the drafting table to wipe the point. Styrofoam, point cleaner and lubricator may be purchased for this purpose. These come in the popular ring type that fit portable or fixed lead pointers and as small block with double back adhesive for attaching to the drafting table away from the drawing surface. Figure 1.8. Lead holder and lead. In addition to the lead found in the lead pencil, there are leads designed for use the lead holder and mechanical pencils. A lead holder is mechanical device for holding special design stick of drawing lead. Figure 1-9. Lead holder are usually metal. Some may have plastic bodies that accept and hold the lead in a spring-loaded 3 or 4 prong clutch. The gripping action of the clutch is sufficient to prevent the lead from slipping or turning even when the lead is pointed in blade type pointers. Example, press of a push button at the top of the holder release the lead for extensions to compensate for wear and also for replacement. This device eliminates the need for cutting the wood of stick pencils. Refill drawing lead are re-pointed, approximately 5 inches long, 0.079-0.080 inches in diameter, and printed with hardness degrees making for quick identification, and available in 19 degrees from 7B to 10B. 10H. Once manufacturer claims that their lead diameter varies according to degrees and hardness as follows. Degrees of hardness 9H through 2B, 3B, 4B, and 5B, 6B. Diameter in inches 0.0079, 0.0099, 0.0118. Softer lead have a larger diameter for greater breaking strength. Flat lead in degrees from 2HB to 4H is available for use with flat lead holders. Such lead is excellent for straight line layout with layout work as it never needs sanding or pointing. Plastic polymer lead for drawing on coated polyester film are available in the more common degrees of hardness generally used in drafting. Leads in lead holders may be pointed or on sandpaper block or with various handheld and fixed reed pointers. C. Mechanical pencil and lead. Mechanical pencil are precision instruments for holding fine line graphite and plastic-based lead. 0.0020 inches, close parenthesis, open parenthesis, 0.5 mm and diameter. Figure 110, close parenthesis. There are great time saver for doing fine lines, drafting, and lettering. The lead never needs pointing. The LEDs are inserted at the cap and automatically move forward, extended simply by clicking the push button mechanism, making it easier for use to available and lead use during work. Mechanical pencil with fixtures similar to the above except with that they accommodate 0.00636 inches, 0.91 mm, or other diameter leads are available for heavier lines and diameter leads are available for heavier line work and lettering. Fixed metal sleeve protects the lead. Some mechanical pencil have sliding sleeve that retract into the pencil tip gradually as the lead wear down to provide added protections for the lead during use. Number 2, erasing shield and erase. An erasing shield is an indefensible device for drafter. It is a 2 3/8 by 3 3/4 inches thin, 2 3/8 by 3/4 inch flat piece of corrosion resistant metal with accurate position cutouts. Its primary function is to permit erasure and specific lines or line segments that must be deleted from the drawing. It's easy to use, and with a little practice, one can become quite proficient in doing so. Since the erasing shield is flat, its handling is greatly improved by turning up one corner. Figure 1-11.